today we're making natural solution for all of your glass tables and natural stone countertops. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit like.
So for this we will need any spray bottle you can find, dish soap, I am using antibacterial in this case, and any brand of white vinegar. First we will put 1 teaspoon of dish soap inside of the bottle, followed by 1 cup of vinegar. You can use funnel for that so it wouldn't be spraying everywhere, and the rest we will fill it up with water. Try to do it as slow as possible because the foam can come up. Once it's all done, close the bottle and shake it gently to mix all the ingredients inside. Now it's all ready to use on any surfaces possible. I have a natural stone granite countertop and I clean it every single day. It cuts through any grease and all the little fingerprints possible. It is totally safe to use around kids and wipe their placemats on daily use. Also, amazing cleaning product for glass tables that cuts through any little greasy fingerprints possible and will leave your table shiny and streak free.
And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.